What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game No More Room in Hell 2 on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. The next step is to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that search up the game No More Room in Hell 2 and select the game. After that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that there is a temporary offer for €23.90. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now we will search up the same game No More Room in Hell 2, and after that we need to select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green and then you can select it. And as you can see, we can already download this game for €14.50 compared to the price on Steam of €23.19. So, once you have bought this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new Steam account, completely legit, to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!